What's the meaning of Caledonian? Caledonian. Caledonian.
Caledonian. Caledonian. The term Caledonian has its roots in ancient history and was originally used to describe the people and region of what is now known as Scotland. The term is thought to have been derived from the Latin word Caledonia, which was the name given by the Romans to the area north of their frontier in Britain. In modern times, Caledonian is often used in reference to Scottish culture and heritage, and it has become a popular name for businesses and organizations located in Scotland or with connections to Scottish culture. Overall, Caledonian carries connotations of Scottish pride, heritage, and tradition.